Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today we're going to go check out these two lighthouses, walk this pier, and we are at Gordon Turner Park in Cheboygan. So this is my first time over here, so come along with me and look at these views. Look at the view out here, guys. Absolutely phenomenal. And we're at the lighthouse. (1884). Now we're gonna do the walk. I seen one big fish jump, but I haven't seen any fish on the shoreline. So we're gonna go out here and see the views from here. So beautiful, but it is ice cold in these waters. Not going to touch the water today. I did see some people over there swimming. Ooh, they brave souls. It is about 77 degrees out, so it'd be nice to be in the water, but the water up here by the bridge, too cold for me. Yep, I'm a sissy. I see one tower right there is really predominant, and I'm gonna try to get it to where y'all can see it. All that is new growth. Isn't that amazing? With no roots, laying in the lake. In the cold lake at that. and it's still growing new limbs. Lots of shoreline for you to go swimming, and there is a park over there that has like volleyball nets and a playground for kids. So this would be a fun day trip if you're up here by Cheboygan. Do a picnic, bring your lunch, bring your dinner, swimming, playing on the playground. You can kind of see the playground right there. Go walking out on the lighthouse. Take in the boats. And maybe see the Mackinac Bridge, depending on how clear it is on the day. We are now at Duncan Bay Nature Preserve. Another walk! I love it. Let's go check out some things. See what nature we can see. Want some berries? It's a nice boardwalk, and then it looks like we are going to dirt and grass. So here's where we're going. This is the map. Let's go check it out. And the sun is bright. It's about 74 degrees. Absolutely beautiful day. Look at this cute little bridge over some swampy land. See if we can find any wildlife. I hear some geese. Oh, bouncy, bouncy. Such a beautiful day. Just a little bouncy. It doesn't feel like it's being supported quite right. After examining how they did this, so this is a marsh land. So they just drove 4x4 post down into the wetlands. And so they're shaky because they're in wet land. It's not as solid. But when you get to the solid ground or the higher land, it's not as shaky. So I just did not understand that this was really wetland. So looky what we found. More water. And there's a lookout tower. Oh, let's go over here first. Up, down, up, down. Sand. Water is low. Look at that. All the seashells. There's the lighthouse that we were at, right there. And then we walked all the way out there to that pier and that lighthouse. And look at all Lake Huron. Big boat out there. No, that's not a boat. That's on the island. All right, so this little building is on Bois Blanc Island. So if you ever want to go out there, there is a ferry here in Cheboygan that runs over there. And I forgot how much it cost, but I want to say it was $80 some or something like that. So a little pricey for me for one day, but maybe if you're over there for a longer bit of time, that would be fun. Look at the boat going out of the channel. It's really pretty, but it's pretty windy. Hopefully my mic is lowering the wind. Check out the views though from up here. I'm probably blinding you with. That's the walkway that we just came on. Absolutely beautiful up here. Downtown Cheboygan on a Saturday night. It's pretty quiet, but there's a theater, and then there's Mulligan's restaurant down there. There's a brewing company, and there's 3 ice cream places. So if you want ice cream, there's a local one. And then there's the Dairy Queen, well, 2 locals. So mom and pop ice creams or Dairy Queen. I found me some new friends.
To this video, and please check out this playlist.